Ahanbada, I would like to appreciate the alternative learning systems की ALS की official sing last 1-2 years तक कोई सिद्धा through virtual UPSC की coaching class हांगा का लाइबा अगर सिद्धा हंतक कनो सी लौरेंबम एंड मंगांगसा हाइदना मा exam is 7 the rank laga the past over I would like to congratulate and thanks the alternative learning system aduga masida alas ki the ani amasu akoi parikshit thogdam haina 60 rank laiba aduga haching hoy hawkip haidana 673 the laiba ani sisu hariba alternative learning system sigi Delhi the laiba मोई मफम दुदा इंस्टीट्यूट द कोचिंग तो बोरे में हादुना मोई दगे हंदे लाइसे मोई अहुम ने सिमना इंफॉर्मेशन वेना थमजरे अदुगा वंस अगेन आई ngасai पब्लिक कैनो जो हाइ ग कोई मणिपुर दगी मोई तरुक सुमाइने इंडियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम सिदा मोई तरुक पिखरबा मणिपुर की मिशिंगसु यामजदा बसदगी मोई तरुक यावरे बसे once again आई कोई गवर्नमेंट की साइट तगी ऐसा के साइट तगी मोई तरुक कोई कांग्रेचुलेट तौजरी अदुगा मोई फैमिली पुनम कोई थागतसरी हाइरिबा सुगुंबा अवांग थाकी पोची मखाताना सथनबा अदुगा सुगुंबा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम कयादा मणिपुर की अखोगी मियामना मरोइना छात्र महिरोसिंगना यावबा ngamjanaba mapanda satlaga coaching to ngamdaba mapanda satlaga leiba ngamdaba madugi leinabagi bhara puthokpa ngamdaba coaching fee thiba ngamdaba tabo mayam do kopna khanara matung da government na aikoi hana 1.5 crore mu puthoga virtual coaching district manga taruka tormani ukrul Harjol Choshanpur Kangpokpi nasinga मफम मगा तरमनी हाइबा मफम मगा सिसु वर्चुअली तौखिनी अदुगा मसिकी मथक्ता लाइव नवंबर की तारीख 9 दगी फेस टू फेस आदि आदगी वजासिंग लागा कोचिंग तौनबगी स्कीम अमा ngasi मसिकी स्कॉलरशिप सी एखोइना पुथोकदोरिबसी 2.80 crores अदुगा पुलप virtual fees yaurgadi 3.90 crores for 500 IAS aspirant changa ni tawdurse sani amana adagi faculty sing professor sing laga direct coaching state academy ki building da November ke tarikh 9 dagi hauraga first phase April ki tarikh 3 फाव सथगनी November 8 की ना April की tarikh 3 फाव मधुगी मखोई चानीन को चानी मना डायरेक्ट कोचिंग दे यावगनी अदुगा चाहुम मना वर्चुअल दे यावगनी पुन्ना चंगानी मणिपुर मधुगी मसिगी फैसिलिटी फंगदोरिसे सिगी मनुंगा अमुक हारिबा फर्स्ट फेज नवंबर की अप्रैल बाव की तौबुसी लोरकांदा प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम 5 जून 2022 द तौगनी अदगी मो सेकंड फेज 10 जून दगी होरकांदा 15 अगस्त 2022 भाव तौगनी अद मसिदैदा प्रिलिम्स के हारिबा तौबस प्रिलिम्स पास तौरगदी नसागी फ्री मेन क्रश कोर्स न कोगी सिगी यूपीएससी की मोय आदा दिल्ली द कोचिंग सेंटर हांगग लेबा मसिदैदा प्रिलिम द पास तौरबसिंग द फ्री द अल्टरनेटिव कोगी केनोसी लर्निंग सिस्टम सिगी कंपनीज द मोय द फ्री द कोचिंग क्लास पीगने अदुना हाइबा अखोय गवर्नमेंट पुथोकदोरिबा हुजी पैसा खरा अराउंड 3.9 crore गुम्बो ओइबे जॉइन अनिमक तौरगदी हाइबा पोस्ट तौरकांदा अखोयना मणिपुर की मरोइना नारोल सिंह लाइलासु तम्मगा हैरबा अदुग मपान करिदा एक्सपोजर दि नमजदबा पैसा पुथोपंग नमजदबा लेबम चाबंगी मरम ओरगा अदुगुम सिंगुगी खल कांदा अखोयना तौबनी हाइरिबा सिगी मफम से ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯔꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯟट complex ama even hostel yauna summa aspirant pe arapa session gi kare digi laga su lai jaba ya ba hostel yauna UPSC exam coaching center ma manipur gi ona specially mafam ama thiraga complex ama sagatna ba adugi government gi plan lai re ana hairi ba masima lai basina maram warakanda tungi lakadaba ngasi mirol amadi tungi lakadaba mirol da aikoina UPSC gi exam gi kuthang changi ba not only IAS makhal ba khagi exam singda manipur gi haurai ba manipuri punamagna ukhul da laibo oigera chochampur da laibo oigera senapati da laibo oigera imphal da laibo oigera lamlai da laibo oigera or any bishnupur da laibo oigera punamagna join to boy anaba adugi facility do face to face IS coaching under scheme for civil service says aspirant haidana masigi wafam khrasi ai laphok sake haidana madu giduna kauchebani.
My director proposed Honorable CM Biren Singh sir to send students to Delhi, and sir said no, I'm not sending anyone to Delhi, you have to come here. And it was a shock for us because in the history of 25 years of ALS, we've been requested many times by various state governments who have been, sending us students to Delhi, for sponsorship for SC, ST backgrounds. And it was our association, a long association with Manipur, because maximum IS officers serving Manipur have been products of ALS and have done ALS proud. So our director, Mr. Jojo Matthew, when he went back to Delhi, we decided that it is time to actually give something back to Manipur also. Manipur has been very kind to us for the last 20 years. It has made ALS proud. Our officers are serving, in various posts in the state and the central governments. So we thought that if we take this initiative and are able to come to Manipur, then it will also open up avenues for other people, from Delhi to come to Manipur, not just Manipur, to other northeastern states, so that, the overall development of the states, can take place. So this is how our discussion took place. And after the second wave got over, both my director and myself, we decided that yes, we are going to do this for Manipur, and we committed that we are fully in line with the vision of Honorable CM, where he wants to bring the best of Delhi and Bombay and Bangalore and all the other good training institutes to Manipur and giving equal quality educations to the students here. Now, having said that, CM sir has already agreed to sponsor 200 students for face-to-face coaching in State Academy of Training in Imphal. ALS on our behalf as a CSR initiative have also decided to sponsor 300 students with scholarship of 1 crore. And this has basically created the opportunity for 500 students of Manipur to avail of coaching worth 3 crore rupees. We'll be conducting a merit-based examination. It will not be, it will just be similar to what UPSC does. It will be a merit-based examination which will be conducted on the 24th of October in Imphal, Churachandpur and Ukhrul. 3 test centers have been, finalized to conduct this examination. 17th of October will be a last date to fill up the form. Due to the COVID protocols, as you are aware, this QR code will need to be scanned by the student. It's very easy. Every student these days is scanning the QR code for payments. They'll scan the QR code and they will do the registrations online. And 17th of October will be the last day. We will declare the results of this examination on the 27th of October. Students which will be sponsored by Honorable CM here will be based on the Manipur reservation roster list. And we'll commence our batches from 8th of November. And like CM sir said earlier, it will be done in 2 phases because, as we're aware, we have very less time left for prelims, almost 9 months left. So from 8th of November till 30th of April will be the phase 1 of this project, where students will be focusing on their prelims preparation. Students will then get a 1-month break to prepare for the prelims exam, which UPSC has already declared will take place on the 5th of June 2022. The students will then return to the campus for their training, which will resume from 10th of June 2022 and go until 14th of August. 14th of August will be the last class of this batch, of the first batch, which we have launched. And then we have also committed, my director has committed to Brain Singh ji, that any student, be it 1, be it 2, be it 10, be it 50, who will clear the prelims examination, the results of which will be declared after 15th of August. All those students will be given free of cost training for the mains crash course and test series which ALS conducts in Delhi, free of cost, and then all the students who will then eventually clear the mains examination will also get free interview training guidance, so that we leave no stone unturned to have more and more selections from Manipur in the coming years. So that's it from my side, and if you have any questions, I'll be free to answer.
Thank you.